Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to create event on Facebook. Facebook event is a feature that helps you organize and promote events, giving them own dedicated pages. To start, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. On your homepage, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. From there, look for the events option. If you don't see it, tap see more and scroll down until you find it. Once you're in an event, tap the plus sign at the top to create a new event. Now you're on the event creation page. You can choose a theme or upload a photo from your gallery. Next, fill in the name for your event. Then set the date and time by tapping on the start date time boxes, entering your information and tapping OK. You can also add an end time by selecting the appropriate date and time. Tap the repeat event option and choose whether it occurs daily, weekly or never. We'll set it to never. You'll then choose whether your event is virtual or in person. If it's virtual, you can host it on Facebook Live or share links to other platforms. For in-person events, you'll need to enter the location by searching and selecting the venue. Now, adjust the privacy settings to control who can see your event. You can make it public, private, friends only, or available to specific groups. And for now, we'll set it to public. You can also add more information about your event by filling out the detail box. And you have the option to add co-host by searching for them or selecting from suggestions. Once you've chosen your co-host, tap confirm. To interact with the guest, you can use the chat with guests option, which lets you connect, share updates, and help people engage before and after the event. You can even create a WhatsApp group chat if you want to. After that, you can customize more settings by tapping additional settings. This is where you can decide if guests can post in the event or if post needs approval from the host. When everything's ready, tap create event and your event will be live. You can also share it by tapping the share button. And that's it. Now you know how to create an event on Facebook. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.